Hello everyone, very good morning all of you. Very warm welcome in the pioneers in the digital course for GATE exam. Very warm welcome all of you. My name is Shapar Ayaz. I did my graduation from National Institute of Foundry and Forge Technology, Ranchi. Then got selected in IIT Kanpur for the master's program. Now, guys, in this session, we are going to highlight the importance of the GATE examinations, the weightage of the subjects in the GATE examinations, how to approach these exams, what which type of question has been asked, what would be the cutoff, which PSUs recruit for the GATE exams, how can we get into the IIT after clearing these examinations, what would be the minimum number we could get, right? So there are so many things that we are going to discuss in this session. If you have any queries, you may ask me in the live chat. I'll reply there. Okay. Now, why this exam is important, my dear? Why this exam is important? Actually, this exams serves as a qualifying exam for admission to postgraduate program. Like if you want to do masters, right, MTech or MS from IIT, NIT, this exam is very important, as well as for the recruitment in the various public sectors, various PSUs, right, like ONGC, NTPC, DRDO, ISRO, so many big organizations are there that actually recruited from the GATE scorecard, and as well as some of the private sector examinations. Therefore, success in GATE exams can open up opportunities for higher education and career advancement in the field of engineering. So both the options are there. You can do masters as well as some career options are also there. So guys, so this is the platform Gate Forum and Engineering Success. This is our website www.gateforumonline.com, and we have been providing quality courses and very enriched courses. That is actually the demand of the IIT, that is actually the demand of the paper, that we have been fulfilling and giving the toppers for the last around, I can say, 20 years. Okay, prox, we have this uh, 15 to 20 years we have been ruling the industries. So now guys, let's discuss about the GATE exam one by one. Any query you may ask me. Okay. Good morning, Faisal Sheikh. Very good morning. About GATE examination, the full form of GATE exam is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, and GATE examination is conducted jointly by IITs. So there are, you know very well that the top seven IITs which actually frame the question of GATE, as well as the IISc Bangalore. So this year, IISc Bangalore is making the questions for GATE, and the next again IIT Chennai and some different IITs are going to frame the question. So this is important. I'm not going to write the name of the IITs here. Okay, which IITs are there. So some old IITs actually frame the questions. Okay, and then IISc Bangalore. It is very premium institute, guys. Very premium institute. It is. I hope I'm visible. Sorry, I hope my screen is visible, everyone. Now, in this exam, test the comprehensive understanding of the various undergraduate subjects in engineering, science for the admission in the master's program, recruitment for public sector's companies based on the GATE score. So this GATE score is very important. How to get a good GATE score, later on we will discuss. Okay, as well as public sector companies, you may heard about Maharatna companies, Navratna companies, like some of the public sector companies. I am going to write the name here so that you may aware about them. Some companies are like this, my dear. Companies are like Coal India, right? Coal India is there, ONGC is there, NTPC is there, right? NTPC is there, BHEL is there, right? IOCL is there. So many PSUs are there that actually recruit from the gate gate paper. Okay, some of the state PSUs also recruit sometimes with the gate scorecard, and some other organizations that the central government organization that directly come under the PMO. That's like Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, nowadays in news a lot, right? ISRO, DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization, BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center. These are some other organizations which actually uses the GATE scorecard to recruit their scientists and the engineers. So that's why, guys, there are so many PSUs. I am not going to write individually the name of all the PSUs, but you will get a very good, very handsome salary there, a life stability, a career stability, and so many advantages are there after joining these PSUs. Okay. So now let's understand the overview of the gate paper, how this exam is performed, and the number of hours, the weightage of the subjects, and the type of the question has been asked. Right? Is all the questions are MCQs? Does they ask mathematics? Right? Aptitude. So let's one by one understand each and everything. Gate overview, particulars and details. Examination mode, the mode of examination in this is a computer based test. Okay, there is no offline test conducted. It will be surely online, and you will be allotted ion digital center in which you have to go, and one system is provided to you, and the question will automatically come at once the time starts. Okay, 1 minute, hold on. 1 minute. Now, guys, the next understanding is examination mode is CBT. Duration of the exam is 3 hours. Name of the subject is 30. Number of subjects 30 papers are there. Okay, types of question, multiple choice question, MCQ question भी रहता है इसमें. Okay, MCQ questions are also there, and multiple select question, मतलब एक से ज्यादा भी सही हो सकते हैं, राइट? ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ सिंगल चॉइस क्वेश्चन भी रहेगा और मल्टीपल सेलेक्ट क्वेश्चन भी रहेगा, मतलब इसका आंसर आपका इधर ए होगा, बी होगा, राइट? इधर ए और बी और सी और डी, राइट? लेकिन मल्टीपल सेलेक्ट में ए एंड बी, राइट? इट कैन बी लाइक ए एंड बी एंड सी, राइट? इस तरह से आपका मतलब एक से ज्यादा भी सही हो सकता है. Next is your numerical answer type question. In this, fill in the blanks. Suppose you solve a numerical and you got answer like 6.37. So it can also be answer, right? 6.37, 4.97, 5, right? 20. So any integer type. It is not necessary that the answer will always be integer. It will be numerical answer type. Whatever you get, right? It is in decimal form, or it is in an integer form. Both answers can be possible here, right? The numerical answer type. So this is your types of question. Third is your ability test. In ability test, there is a 15 marks questions. Comprehensions are there, right? Analysis and synthesis. Means some aptitude questions are there. Okay, in aptitude question, mathematics, reasoning, time and distance. So very easy 15 marks aptitude questions are there. So that will be done in the Gate Forum lectures. Okay, once you join, you will be given a few lectures from the aptitude topic. Now, number of questions, 10 questions GA, 55 subjects and 65 questions. ओके, तो 10 क्वेश्चन हमारा जनरल एप्टीट्यूड का होगा. 10 क्वेश्चन हमारा जनरल एप्टीट्यूड का होगा, राइट. एंड 55 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द सब्जेक्ट्स मींस मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग. सपोज फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग 55 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. 10 क्वेश्चंस जनरल एप्टीट्यूड. तो व्हाट वी विल डू, राइट, the total question is your 65 questions. The total 65 questions will be there. So you should take care first. Try to give at least 30 minutes to solve GA because it will be of 15 marks, and then 55 questions ME, right? So mechanical engineering. Now let's come to the distribution of the marks in all paper except ARCY, MA, PH, right? Excel. So in this, the distribution is general aptitude is of 15 marks, engineering mathematics is of 13 marks, right, and other subject is 72 marks. The total is 100 marks. Means engineering mathematics is also very important subjects, and it is of 13 marks. 13 and 15, that is of your 28 marks. So that's why this subject is this paper becomes so easy. If you really put little more effort in aptitude and mathematics, you will be easily get 28 marks, right? Easily 28 marks. And by putting slightly more effort, out of 72 marks, if you get plus 50 marks, so then you will get around 78 marks. It is very good marks. And by getting 78 marks in mechanical engineering, you can easily come below the 200 ranks, right? Below 200 ranks, and get a wonderful PSUs, right? So that's why by proper strategy and a proper guidance, by getting the command on the subject, you can easily get 70 plus marks, right? So therefore, I don't want you to be a topper and getting the 90 plus marks, right? If you got a marks between 70 to 80, it is a very good marks, and you can easily get PSUs there, right? Next part of discussion in this is my dear. Next part of discussion is marking scheme. Some questions carry 1 mark and some questions carry 2 marks. But in 1 marks, the negative marking is 1/3 marks, right, and 2/3 marks for 2 marks questions. So means if you do wrong in 1 marks question, so 0.33 marks will be deducted from your right questions. Okay, for 1 marks question, and for 2 marks question minus 0.66 marks, means 0.66 marks will be deducted from the right questions. Eligibility, who can apply for GATE exams? So any students um, who is currently pursuing their BTech from BTech in third year as well as fourth year. तो अगर आप थर्ड ईयर के फोर्थ ईयर के हैं, तो you can easily apply for the GATE examination. Now opportunity with the GATE examination, what are the opportunities we have? Chances to increase technical knowledge, right? We will technically sound. If sometimes you might some companies come in your college for the placements, and they are going to ask you some technical question. In that case, you are able to solve and deal with the technical question asked by them if you are prepared for the GATE, right? So it will really help you. So in public private companies, as well as if you want to do masters from IITs, IISCs, NITs, and the PSU recruitment, right? And as well as financial assistance, a stipend in IIT, it will be provided for 12,400 rupees, right? Technical assistant if you have a valid GATE score card, right? As well as this help you for some state level competitive exams, like some of the state conducts AE exams, right? Assistant engineer exams, JE exams. In that case, they will help you. Next is your ISRO and BARC syllabus. ISRO and BARC, I have already discussed that these exams sometimes use the GATE scorecard. Now, guys, don't be frightened with the crowd, right? Which used to appear every year in the GATE exams. If you see the data, we did the detailed analysis here, my dear. See, right? Don't see the huge number. If we see in 2023, candidate appeared for the GATE examination is approximately 5,17,000, right? So, guys, this is the total amount of a student which is participated in all the different branches, right? In electrical, in mechanical, in civil, everywhere, right? So that's why don't get frightened by seeing this figure, okay? Because in this mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, the data it includes all the branches, and only 18% of students been passed, right? So don't get scared by seeing this figure. Now, let me discuss about the mechanical paper here. Highest score, gate score is 1000 and highest marks is 90.67. So, your topper ka marks hai, that is 19 points. And the cutoff is 28.4. So, see the difference between the highest marks and the cutoff. So, don't worry at all by seeing this, because usually there is only two students in India, right? Out of this data, you can see the 5 lakh students was appearing, only two students were able to manage and get 90 plus marks in gate paper, right? So that's why we do not we don't have to become a topper, right? We have to just get into the PSUs, right? So don't worry about this, okay? Just do the hard works, and if you get 50 plus marks above the cutoff or 40 plus marks above the cutoff, you can easily get a good PSUs and a masters from the IITs. Now let's discuss the figures. Now let's discuss the figures from the category wise in ME branch, right? In ME branch, the figure I'm going to show you. So let's understand category wise. Whatever is your category, if you belongs to, right, OBC category, SC category, general category, general EWS category. Now you see in your category, total in mechanical engineering only 82,000. See the figure, there is a slight huge difference. Here the figure total students appearing was 5 lakh, approximately 5 lakh students were appearing in gate 2023. But in mechanical engineering, there's a huge drop, only 82,000 students, approx 82,000 students were appeared in gate 2023, out of which only 26,000 belongs to general category, and OBC category 30,000, SC category 13,000, 46,000, and general EWS 6,000. So if you belongs to your category and prepare little hard work, then 100% within your category you will get a good results. You can see the qualifying rate is qualifying rate out of general category, 35,000, 3,500 students get a good rank. Here 4,200 students get a good rank, right? Total qualified students. So this is how you can see the success rate. So don't worry about this. So your fight is only with the 26,000 students in your category, right? Here in OBC, only 30,000 students your fight is. So competition is not very tough. If you do the smart analysis of the subjects, rank, categories, each and everything, you can 100% get a good rank, right? Now see the score as well as the rank. So guys, the gate score between 1,900, only 23 students from 1 to 23 got the gate scorecard above 900, right? And 24 to 114, 900 to 800. You can see जो 500 तक हमारा rank है, right? Approx from 100 to 500, 800 to 700. This is the gate scorecard. So this is how, if you manage to get 1500 plus rank, my dear, 1500 plus rank, so you can easily get 1500 plus rank, you can easily get IIT, right, for masters. And if you get 500 plus rank, you can easily get PSU. No one can stop you in snatching a seat in PSU, right? So just do a smart study, right? Get a guidance from our educators, they are highly experienced, okay? I'll let you know when the batches are going to start, and you can start your preparations right now for the next 2024 once the um, GATE 2024 exams end, you can start for GATE 2025. Now, guys, focus topics for ME that I'll let you know. Before that, I am going to tell you some important reference books, right, for the mechanical engineering paper that you can also do the self study. Okay, if you have any doubt, you may ask me, guys, because I've been speaking for the last 15 to 20 minutes. If you have any doubt, you may ask me. Okay, any doubt, guys, you may ask me, please. Any doubt, please let me know, everyone. Some books which I'm going to discuss, guys. See, the first book, Strength of Material, is the subject. Strength of Material. I'm writing in a short form, SOM, right? For SOM, this book is very important. One of my favorite, Timoshenko, right? Timoshenko, Timoshenko and Giri, right? This is very good book. This you can refer, as well as UC Jindal book. UC Jindal. This book is also good, right? Strength of Material. For operational research, OR, operational research book, Kanti Swarup, Kanti Swarup. This is also very good book, very good book, right? For IR industrial engineering, you can refer to the OP Khanna book, OP Khanna. Okay. For production engineering, Kalpak Jain, Kalpak Jain. This is also a very good book. Kalpak Jain you may refer, right? As well as R.S. Parmar for welding mainly. And there is one book, Swadesh Singh. This is also a very good book, right? Material Science, Callister, as well as Swadesh Singh. Both are good book, right? Machine Design, V.B. Bhandari book. V.B. Bhandari, very good book. V.B. Bhandari, right? And Tom S.S. Ratan. S.S. Ratan. There is no doubt in this book. Fluid Machinery, Fluid Mechanics, guys. For practice, I would suggest R.K. Bansal, right? For practice question, it is a good book, right? Right. For engineering services, it will also help you. And next is your for thermodynamics. Angel is also very good book. You can also refers to YS Angel. Okay. And for thermodynamics and its application, PK Nag. PK Nag, you can use PK Nag book. Okay. And HMT also PK Nag. Application I have already written, right? So don't worry. These are the books that I would suggest you for uh, reference book. Okay. So you may note down if you want to. These books are very important. These books are very, very important, my dear. Any problem you may ask. These are the reference books. Next part is tips for the GATE 2025 and 2026 preparation. What are the tips? Commence your preparation early and make a meticulous year long study plan. Just stick to a study plan and follow it consistently, right? Opt for guidance for the industry experts rather than relying on the solely self study. Get experts helps, get help of the educator, get help of the teachers, expert guidance for regular doubt clearing sessions, provide clear path, right? Integrate aptitude and mathematics into the daily routine, and excel in these subjects can significantly help you to get a good score, right? Avoid excessive online distractions, free online classes and channels to maintain focus and concentrations, right? Don't roam on the YouTube, right? Every time that's looking for lectures, right? Just join a proper classes and watch lectures regularly. And once your lecture is complete, practice the questions, practice the sheets. It will help you to get a good rank. Okay. Next, your guys, about the GATE forum. This is started in 2025 by the IIT and IIM alumni. Okay. Uh, so we have been ruling the industry for the last 20 years. Pioneer in Pan India network since 2005. Pioneer in started live classes for GATE 2008. Trained more than 4 lakh students. Consistent results over the years. These are the AIR one of the GATE forums, always given the rank one in the different year. These are the images of the photos. And TechUp Institute 2018 to 2021 by HRD Ministry, Government of India, and associated with 100 plus Pan India colleges for the campus and online training since inceptions, right? So we were associated with the HRD TechUp program of the Ministry of HRD. Okay. Resources for online e-gate, right? E-gates are essential live online classes through the internet, real-time students and faculty interactions. Why the if someone asks me, sir, which one would be good for us, online or offline? So, guide, I would suggest you for the online because in offline there is so much distractions, right? Suppose you are going to come to Hyderabad, right, and Bangalore in some smart city to attend the lectures. You are going to pay a huge rent, right? Lodging, fooding, lots of expenses are there in offline classes, right? It will majorly available in the big cities, but without expenses in online classes. What I would say you, in online classes, what happened, you can directly study from your house, right? There is no problem of lodging and fooding in that case in the online classes. So these are the major problem, as well as you can digitally connect with the educators, you can ask them doubts, the real time doubt evaluations. Okay, so these are the major benefits of online, and the cost and of the lectures are also less in comparison to offline, right? And it will also take you to go from your home to the coaching centers. It will take around 30 to 40 minutes, and then again coming back. So there is so much waste of time in this case, right, in offline classes. A second important point is um, like there is some circles in offline classes, right? So that's why overall, if you compare offline and online classes, so I would suggest you to join the e-gate program and the online sessions. Okay, so this is important, right? With a very affordable fees. These are your so video on demand. And there is one more big um, difference between the offline and online is you can also watch the recorded video. If sometimes suppose you might miss the lectures, right? Some you have some unavoidable work. In that case, you are unable to come to attend the session. In that case, in online sessions, the video will be recorded for you, right? And once you free, you can watch the recorded videos. So these are the benefits. So we are going to start a batch from the 29th January, my dear. This is very important date. Mark this date, 29th Jan. We are going to start a batch, full-fledged batch for gate mechanical, right? Directly, you can call for a special discount. You can call or WhatsApp on this number. You will get a special discount. You can use this code, my code, IAS25. You will be given uh, you will be rewarded with the 25% discount on the fees, right? You can directly call and WhatsApp, sir, when the batches are going to start and I want to prepare seriously. It will really help you, right? You can use this code. Next important discussion is what are the advantages of this course if I join the gate course from the gate forum, how it is different from the others. So because gate forum is a brand, a coaching brand, and it is established 18 years back, and it has benefited by training by the expert faculties from IITs and NITs like me. There are so many big educators are there on these platforms, and they are highly experienced, right? They are focused, limited batch sites, a very good doubt clearing sessions, right? Chat based facility interactions during the live sessions. You can ask your queries, right? Recorded videos for any missed classes until the gate examinations. You can enjoy the recorded video, enjoy the advantages at the affordable fees is also less. So these are the benefits, right? Gate forum methodology. So in this methodology we mainly focus on the concept building, the problem solving skills, the regular assessment, right, by taking the tests, mentorship and guidance. So these are the major methodology of gate forum. Overall, if we work on all this, it will ultimately give you a good result, right? This will give you the result. This will give you the result, right? So that is the overall outcome of this four. This is the methodology of gate forum. Now guys, you can contact us, my dear, right? You can contact us on this number, you can mail us on this email ID, right, for when the batches are going to start, and any related query regarding the gate examinations, like in the preparation strategy, you may ask. Okay, you may ask from this. Now I'm going to, at the end, I'm going to tell you a story, a very beautiful story of one of my students. I'm saying, you see, one of my students both graduated from the private college, right, and started taking classes from the uh, gate forum at Kolkata center. This story is very very motivational story for students, those who sometimes give up and don't prepare for gate. These are the two students, they prepare very hard for the gate examinations, and one of the students got 320 rank, and other one got 7 something, 710, or like this rank, right, in mechanical paper. So he both of them get themselves enrolled in IIT Bombay, right? IIT Bombay. He got design for masters in design, and he got uh, aerospace, right? Aerospace. Now the thing is, what happened after 5 years? Sorry, after once they took the admission, within 3 months, these students, I forgot his name, maybe Sachin or something his name was. So those who got a 320 rank, he got a call from ONGC, right? And he cleared the interview, and finally he joined the ONGC, right? ONGC means IOCL. He joined the IOCL finally, right? Once clearing the interview, and he is getting a good salary, a government job salary. That's a level 9 job, level 9 or level 10 job. He is getting a good amount of salary. Now he was very disappointed once his one of his friend uh, reaches to the PSU, and he was not be able to get PSU. He was very disappointed, and he uh, continue his masters, right? And finally, after 2 years, he completed his masters, and he managed to get placed into Airbus. This is a company which manufactures aeroplanes, right? Airbus and Boeing, right? This is the USA and France company, Airbus. So these he was trained at Bangalore for the next 8 to 9 months, and finally, after some times, he went to France. Right, after 2 years, he went to France, and now he is earning a very good amount of salary. And now, if you see, compare the life of these two, he is in Northeast, and working with the IOCL, and he is in France, and the lifestyle is totally changed, right? So therefore, sometimes by a small achievement, by seeing the small achievement of others, don't get frightened. Focus on your targets, right? In IITs, from PSUs, uh, from IITs, sometimes what happens, you might not get PSUs, but if you get good IITs, there is a very, very good placements from the IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Chennai, right? IIC Bangalore, and you can go to some big MNCs, and in private companies are also offering a very handsome salary. And currently, he is getting 3 to 4 lakh rupees. Those who got into Airbus companies, right? Boeing and Airbus, right? And he is a typical government employee, and he is getting around 80 to 90,000 rupees, right? 80 to 90K. So so this is the difference. So don't worry sometimes that, sir, I didn't get the PSUs, now I am ruined, right? So don't focus too much on this, right? So try to get a IIT, particularly if you are from South India. Try to hit the IIT Chennai. If you get the design and aerospace and thermo, uh, right, applications, so some good branches, if you are able to manage to get into IIT, your life will be very good, right? You are going to get very good placements. The packages are going to good, and after 5 years, you will see yourself at a very good place, right? Not even lesser than than your friends, those who got PSUs, right? So that's why the motto of this story is, sometimes I have seen so many students, they are repeatedly appearing for the gate examinations to get PSUs rather than joining the master's program. So don't please don't follow this kind of approach. Don't waste your precious time. Time is very important. Just try to finish your studies, right? Once you graduated within the 2 or 3 years, right? And then enjoy the life, earn money, and make your parents and family happy. Okay, so we are here, the Gate Forum platforms, to give you a very good strategy, the practice sessions, the lectures, the PYQ solving skills, right? Exam temperaments, right? So many things with the expert faculty you can learn from us. So these are the numbers you can call on this number, right? On this phone number, when the batches are going to start from 29th, right? And the fees is 25K of the Gate Forum fees. But if you use my code AYAZ IAS25, you will be rewarded 25% discount, and the fees will be automatically reduced. So, so thank you everyone. Tushar Crystal Zone. Hi Tushar. Hope you are doing good. And if you have any queries, let me know and get connected with me on the Gate Forum platform. So thank you, my dear. Thank you everyone. Bye. See you. Thanks a lot.